Today I am going to show you how to refill your HP 68 Tricolour and black ink cartridge. So we are going to refill the ink, and it's useful for HP DexJet 4300 series and HP DexJet 2900 series printer. So let's refill it. I'm going to start with the black. So first we have to remove this seal from here. So let's remove this one first. So like this you have to remove it carefully. So below you will see there is a hole in the center. In the center we have to place the ink. So let's start with the black. So we'll do 3 ml of ink. So just here, put it into the black section, place the needle in, and then push it inside slowly. Don't do it too fast, it can splash the ink backwards. Slowly it will go in. Once you are done, just remove the needle and seal it again. Seal it properly like before. And now place it here. You can see it has started to stand. Whenever there is a ink in the ink cartridge, it will stand like this. If your ink cartridge is like standing in this position, even if you try to keep it straight, that means it's empty. Now it has ink inside, so it will stand like this. So we have done the black. Let's do it for the color ink. For the color ink, you just have to do the same thing. Remove this seal. You have to do it up to the top, because it has 3 sections. On the top the blue color, the crayon will go, whereas on this side the magenta, and here is the yellow. So let's fill it. Now take the new needle. Let's start with the blue ink. Again same thing, you have to take it, take 2 ml of the ink and just insert the needle all the way it goes down like this, and then slowly you have to push it down. Now we can close it. Next we will do for the magenta. Take the new needle, fill 2 ml of this ink, and then place it on this side here. And again push it down slowly. Because there are holes in the ink cartridge, so it's always easy with the HP ink cartridge to refill it. Now we'll do the last one, yellow. Take the new needle, again fill it to the 2 ml, and now place it here, and then press it down. close this. Just seal it back. We'll just repack all the ink. Next is to clean the print head. So we'll do it manually and then we will do the automatically. So this will help you to clean it properly. Just take the wet clean wipe, rub the bottom part here, so you will see it has started to show up the colors. It may be possible you only see two colors in the starting, but slowly you will see all the colors showing up here. Do that and then do it with the black ink cartridge too, so that the black color starts to work. Sometimes you have to rub it little bit more, because if the ink is clogged at the bottom of the print head, then you have to unclog it. So once you do that, now we will reinstall the ink cartridges. Open the ink chamber of your printer. Install the ink cartridges. Go to the HP Smart app, select your printer and scroll down. Go to the diagnostics and click on the print quality tools. In the print quality tools, select view all print quality tools. Select cleanup and select cartridge cleaning, clean. Select level 1. So you can see couple of inks has started to work. So if you don't see all the inks working, then you can go for the done. Select the cleanup again and go for the level 2 cleaning. This will take little bit extra ink and it will push the printer to print the all the inks. So you can see it has started to work. So this way we can refill the ink cartridges and then we can start using it. Thanks for watching.